How to fix voice chat not working in Fortnite. Step 1. Check Fortnite voice settings. Open up Fortnite. Go to settings. This page will appear. In this, click audio. Check the volume, main gameplay, voice chat, and check the visualize sound effects and output device. And go to communication settings. Check voice chat and voice chat method and set the voice chat input and output device. Set your device. If you not know means go to settings, check it and set it. Step 2. Make sure your microphone works. Test your microphone in another application. Step 3. Allow microphone access in Windows. Open settings, click privacy and security settings. Scroll down, click microphone. Make sure the microphone access and let app access your microphone. Both should be in enable mode. If it's disabled means you need to enable it. Close it. Step 4. Set the correct default audio device. Open up sound settings. Select the correct microphone under input and select the correct speaker under output. You need to set it. The same should be in set it as in Fortnite settings also. Make sure it. Then move on with next step. Verify game files. Open up Epic Game Launcher. Click Library. Click Library. Click the game. Click three dot icon. Click Manage and click Verify Files. And wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. So be patient. Wait for some time. Once complete after, close it. Then move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text: services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Windows Audio. Right click it. Click Properties and make sure the startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click Apply and OK. And one more time restart it. After restart, close it and restart your device. Thank you.